Do you still pin hundreds of business addresses one by one on a map? In this video, we'll create a professional service center locator by plotting multiple addresses at once using MAPOG. We'll automatically geocode addresses, organize locations into categories, customize the map, and publish it for your customers. Let's begin by preparing an Excel or CSV file containing all your service center information. Keep address-related columns ready so every location can be geocoded accurately. Now open story.mapog.com. Click Create and Publish Maps. Open your workspace, choose Create New Map, and select with Template. From the available templates, choose Store Mapper. Enter a suitable title and description. Then click Create Map to save your project. Next, open Map Settings. Upload your company logo to keep the map consistent with your brand identity. Now go to Add Location and choose Upload CSV. Open the Business Custom Location Template settings. Click New Type to create a reusable template. Provide a template name. Choose a suitable color. Select Point as the geometry type. Now add relatable attributes like branch name in text format. If multiple people will maintain this data, simply enable contributors, allowing authorized users to update branch information themselves. Now add other attributes as well, like service category and offered status, working hours with proper field types like text, multi-select, business hours. Review the attributes and click Create Type to save the template. Choose your newly created template from the drop-down. Upload your prepared Excel or CSV file containing service center information. Assign a unique ID to prevent duplicate records. Match every attribute with its corresponding column. Since we're plotting addresses instead of coordinates, choose Geocode. Select the country. This will significantly improve geocoding accuracy by narrowing the search area for each address. Map the address fields like street, city, state, zip code. Reorder them if necessary. Save the configuration. If prompted, reselect the fields and submit. Within moments, MAPOG automatically geocodes every address and plots all service centers onto the map. Click on any service center. Select the edit icon. Open Business Location Details. Here you can add images, business hours, contact information, and additional details, giving customers complete information before they even visit. Go to Add Layer Style. Choose Category Style. Set the attribute as Service Category. Assign different colors and icons for each category. Save your styling. Next, open Label feature. Choose Branch Name as the label attribute. Adjust the font size and color for better readability. Need customers to see only certain branches. Open Filter. Choose any attribute value like a specific service category. And only matching service centers remain visible. Use Display Properties to control exactly what information appears inside the side panel, keeping the interface clean and focused. Finally, review your project. Click Preview and Share. Publish it publicly for customers or embed it directly into your website. Add user to invite members and assign them different roles. And that's how you can transform a spreadsheet full of addresses into a fully interactive service center locator. Instead of manually placing every location, geocoding automates the entire process, making your maps easier to build, update, and share. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.